Easy to handle, quick to assemble, and simple to transport. Our tried and tested 830 demolition machine now offers new features for even more efficient demolition and dismantling. With the 3-part equipment, you not only get more reach for your multifunctional machine, but also have more flexibility in use, such as for dismantling work in urban areas. Using it over projecting edges is particularly easy. With the elevating and tilting cab, you always have an overview from a safe position. Thanks to our fully hydraulic quick change system, you can switch to shorter handling equipment quickly and safely at the push of a button. You can complete a wide variety of tasks with just one machine. You save time, fuel, and transport costs. Your demolition excavator is easy to dismantle for transport. This is also made possible by our new fully hydraulically removable counterweight. The transport weight is reduced by around 10 tons in no time at all via remote control. The transport width is small thanks to the telescopic crawler undercarriage, while the wide support base ensures a high level of stability and telescoped state. The 830 Demolition, the all-rounder for challenging demolition work, even in the most confined spaces.